Alright, so this video is going to show the different sound effects that I need for time throttle. I'm going to need the rocket thruster, and this is going to be, should be a big sound, like, but it also needs to be subtle enough that if four players are zipping around the screen, it's not going to overpower, because it's pretty much going to be background noise all the time. I need both a fast variant if a player is being affected by the speed boost, and a slow variant for when a player is affected by a slowdown. I also need cannon fire. And I need a cannon bounce sound like tink, tink, and a sound when a player gets hit by a cannonball. Yeah, when a player gets hit by a cannonball, it looks like this. There we go. There's sort of a little thud, and the player gets pushed. Let's see. I need a time grenade. When you're traveling, press A, it drops a time grenade, and then it explodes into that. Looks like the grenade gets covered up by the smoke until the player gets away from it. That's a kind of neat effect. But you drop it out of a hatch under the bottom, and then it goes off. Think something like tink, the sound of the grenade hitting the ground, and then a pop. Let's see. And then the global slow effect. So the global slow effect affects everyone, and I'm looking for like a kind of when it gets started and turns off. And I'll need it in 3 parts: the starting, the middle, and the ending phase, so that when somebody pulls the time slow button, it goes, and then when they're holding it down, it goes, and then when they let it go, it turns off, goes, if that makes any sense. Cool.